Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable insurance premium deductions tracking with TurboTax step by step clearly. Open your TurboTax application or go to the TurboTax website. Sign in to your account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to your tax return for the current year. Scroll down to the Deductions and Credits section. Locate the Medical Expenses category and click on it. Select the option to begin or continue entering your medical expenses. You will see a prompt asking about various medical costs. Look for the section related to insurance premiums and click Yes to proceed. Enter the total amount of your insurance premiums. If you have more than one type of insurance, specify each type and its associated premium cost. TurboTax will provide prompts for different types of insurance such as health, dental, and long-term care. Input the relevant amounts into the appropriate fields. Ensure that you double-check your entries for accuracy. Once all information is entered, proceed to the next section. TurboTax will automatically integrate this data into your overall deductions. Review your deduction summary to confirm that everything has been captured correctly. Continue through the prompts until you reach the end of your deductions section. Save your progress frequently to avoid losing any data. When you finish, you can move on to other sections of your tax return as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.